Hello, today I will be doing a 1-minute history video on the Song Dynasty. So let's begin. Who founded the Song Dynasty? Emperor Taizu. What is the Song Dynasty? The Song Dynasty was an imperial dynasty of China that began in 960 AD. Where was the Song Dynasty founded? The Song Dynasty was founded in China and was divided into two distinct periods, the Northern Song and Southern Song. Why is the Song Dynasty mostly known? The Song Dynasty is mostly known for being the first to issue banknotes or true paper money that we still use in current day. How did the Song Dynasty fall? The Song Dynasty fell to the Jin Dynasty in the Jin Kang incident. Most effects Song Dynasty made in current world is many advancements to mathematics, and they were also the first to use a compass. What caused the Song Dynasty to fall? The wars that they continued to have were too constant, causing serious money problems, which can make an empire fall very quickly.